where we do different unboxings on different items. Today, for our first video, we'll be doing unboxing Snack Crate. Different snacks from around the world. I'm Josh. This is Isaiah.
I'm Selena.
This is Selena. And the beautiful camera woman over there is Vicky.
Hello.
Now, we are opening this and trying the different snacks in it. You can go online. We're trying to provide a link so you can order these.
Yeah.
Alright, our box is from Poland. Poland.
Yeah. Cool.
Has a little information about Poland in the box.
Are there Polish
And about the
things out
snacks that we will be getting.
Yeah.
It also comes with just a little ad.
Stickers.
Yes, you guys can have the stickers. And the Snack Crate, which has another sticker. Alright, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Now,
Chips.
we get a big bag of chips. Tapesies. They look like they're Swiss and onion.
Let's try this first before we do anything else.
Alright.
What's it smell like?
Nothing really. Not bad. Very light and fluffy chip.
Fluffy.
They're very
I'm
fluffy.
going to try it.
It's kind of like
cheese.
kind of like a Funyun, but without the onion flavoring and more cheese. They're not bad, but
They kind of taste like they're stale a little bit, don't they?
then please get off of me. Then
Did you guys like them?
Yeah.
Rate it from 1 to 10. What do you think?
7.
6 or 7.
10.
I could do a 6 or 7.
I do about 6 or 7.
Not bad. They're pretty
Yeah,
good.
they're not bad.
Then you got these 3 things.
What are they?
They're
Gummies.
fresh fruit. Each looks like a different flavor.
Gummies.
Does it say what flavor?
I don't think so.
You guys should try it and taste it.
Different. Who wants one?
I want one. I want one.
Oh, they got a flavor, but it's in a different language. I can't read it. No.
Why did they put it in
All right, we got an orange and a reddish one and a yellowish one. Who wants yellowish?
Me. Yellow.
All right, I'll split it between you.
No.
No, I'm gonna split
No,
it in
she
half.
got
Me and Mom
yellow.
are splitting it, the other one. All right, that smells very good. What is it?
It's good.
It smells
What's
like pineapple.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like gummy.
What flavor do you think it is?
It smells like pineapple.
It smells like
Can
pineapple.
I have a taste?
I want some. Gummies.
Try this.
Gummies.
Try it. Pineapple.
Yeah.
You can have the orange.
It's orange, probably. Or maybe mango. Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah, try it.
Oh,
What's it? Does it taste like orange?
Oh, it's so good.
1 to 10. What do you think?
9.
A 9. What was yours? 1 to 10.
8.
I'll try the redder one.
Here, I'll take a tiny bite.
Really pancake sticky. It's
Raspberry
so
and
sticky.
citrus.
Oh.
Good. Very good.
What was that again?
It's called fresh fruit.
Mm.
Fresh fruity.
Mm.
I
Kind of tastes like stuff we have here.
Yeah. No, but a bit better.
It's a stronger fruit taste than most gummies. It's
Yeah,
very
that's
good.
so good.
And then we got, I'm gonna butcher this, Uzmechnig Siege.
It's in a hard shape.
Yeah.
Hard chip cookie?
Feels like a hard, and it's not hard, but it's like
A cinnamon bun, maybe?
What's it smell like?
a gingerbread.
Gingerbread?
Oh,
got-
it's gingerbread cookie.
You should try it.
With chocolate inside.
No, I don't think it's
Doesn't look
chocolate.
chocolate. It smells like gingerbread. Smells good.
Do you like it? What's it taste like to you guys?
Gingerbread.
Kind of like coffee.
Coffee?
It's got a gingerbread.
It's gingerbread?
It smells like coffee. If you smell the inside, it smells like coffee.
Let me smell it.
It's like
After eating that gummy,
It does smell like
It
it.
smells. It tastes a bit funky after eating that gummy.
It does, but it's not bad.
What do you think? 1 to
A
10.
little taste.
1. 6.
Give it a 7.
You got a
I
6?
could eat them.
7?
Get a box of them. I could snack on them.
They'd
Dip 'em in
probably
coffee,
been better
milk,
if we
milk,
haven't
take a
eaten
little
those gummies first.
Ooh, I see rainbow gummies.
We're doing that last. And just Jazuki.
What's it look like?
Looks like a
Kind of like a
energy
chocolate bar
or an energy bar.
or an energy bar.
It's hazelnut. I can tell you that much. Hazelnut and chocolate. We'll
Hazelnut
break this
and
one apart for each.
I don't.
I bet she'll like it.
You don't want
I'm gonna get some more of those chips. They don't have a flavor, but
to
they're
try
good.
it. Gotta. You gotta try some.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like chocolate.
1 to 10.
Tastes 7. It tastes like normal chocolate.
No more chocolate. Does it taste like anything you've had here?
No.
Hazelnut isn't very strong.
It tastes like those crunch bars.
Crunch bars? What do you think?
Like those
I think
extra crunch.
It'll have
extra
a stronger
crunch.
Hazelnut taste.
Wait, I'm
Is it very strong?
I think.
Is it very strong?
No, it's very chocolatey, but not strong.
So what would you give it?
Watch out, Zelda's coming.
I'll go with a 7.
What do you think? What's it taste like?
It shouldn't be 100 because it's chocolatey.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Does it taste like hazel?
Yeah, Zelda's out. But it tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the very last one?
Zuzuli. You
Zuzuli?
got a promo code to win a free PlayStation 4, but I can't read the information. 25% Suku?
Suku? We should look that up, what that
I
means.
know, we will.
You guys
Some
ready
kind
for
of
the very
rainbow
last?
set. Oh, okay. They're little individual strips. Isaiah,
Wow. Those look pretty good, don't they?
that looks like the sour belts we used to get as kids.
Looks like the doggo wants something.
Hey guys, I'm going to tell you the colors on this.
Okay.
Pink, yellow, green, a light pink, and a dark pink.
Hold it up so we can see. Viewers can see
It
it.
tastes like those it's basically like a Poland version of the Airhead conveyor belt.
Really? Does it taste any
It's
sour?
just a bit harder
And a little bit.
and a bit
A little bit more
thicker.
citrus. They got a harsh citrusness. It's not bad.
So what would you give it?
9 because I really like those Airhead conveyor
But does it have a kick of a sour?
Yeah,
not
no,
bad,
a bit
though.
citrus.
Not bad?
The
A
citrus
bit
is
more
stronger.
citrusy.
What would you give it?
I'd give it a 6. I could snack on them, but it's very strawberry. You taste the citrus incredibly heavily.
Is it something that we should buy in Portland? Portland,
Probably.
If we ever go there, we probably don't. We don't have the money.
whatever you call it. Poland, how you say it?
Yeah,
Poland.
Poland. Wow. So, what was your favorite one you tried now?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
What do you think?
It was good.
It's great.
It was great. No, which one was your favorite? Was it the strip you're
And
eating?
this, the chocolate thing, and this.
Was it, those chips?
I'm licking off that extra salt thingy. What do they put on those gummies?
I don't know.
Let me know in the comments because I have no idea what it is.
And that got me too.
All right.
So what was your-
This has been Snack Crate. We will be opening another one next month. Who knows where it's going to come from? I'm hoping Japan, Israel, London would be real nice to try.
Germany.
Germany.
England.
I said London. But this is Fruitbox signing out. Goodbye.
Bye.